Hello from the IONITY team. We're here in Golling in beautiful Austria. Today we'd like to demonstrate how everybody can successfully charge at IONITY with using the app. There's two things you need to look out for. First of all, please start preparing the charge via the app before connecting your car. Secondly, when you connect your car, please make sure the connector is firmly inserted. The reason for this is that the cooled cables are pretty heavy, so there might be some pull on the cable, so the connection is not tight enough to connect and the charge will not start. So let's give it a go. We're opening the app. In the station list, we easily find Golling. And we select the site and the payment method. I'm authorizing the payment. Okay, payment went through. So the charging session was initiated. Now we need to hurry. We're now using a connector that's not the right one for this slot, but we wanted to make sure we can show it. I'm holding the connector firmly to make sure there's no gap in between, and it's even best to hold it until the charge was really initiated. This might take up to a minute until it's really working. In the background we can already hear the charger powering up. And now charging has started successfully. We hope to see you soon at one of our sites. Goodbye.